Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize phone ringtone and tap on it. After tapping, we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, at the top we've got two kind of additional options. So the custom ringtone, you can tap on it and you will be transferred to the files you've got saved on your device. For example, if you've downloaded something, it should appear right here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. And also the option no ringtone, which means that your device won't use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So for example, this one, you can check whether you like it or not. And if you'll decide that you want to set a specific ringtone, so for example, this rhythm in my case, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.